Calls for justice. Tonight, a Polk County family is pushing for criminal charges in the death of their loved one, Aaron Henderson. This is Nightside. I am Carolina Lead. He was run over by a bulldozer while inside a porta-potty at the North Central Landfill earlier this month. 10 Tampa Bay Shannon Close spoke to his family, who says this tragedy wasn't an accident, but instead neglect.
Aaron Henderson was a son, a father, and a brother.
He was a brother that anybody would want.
Aaron Henderson's sister says it's been a really emotional month since he died.
He just don't know what he took from me.
Choking back tears, Aaron's sister says he was a great brother. Aaron was crushed by a bulldozer on March 4th while inside a porta-potty here at the landfill. The Polk County Sheriff's Office is investigating his death, saying the bulldozer operator was parking it for the night when the front blade blocked his view of the porta-potty. The operator heard a loud noise, and that's when he realized he ran over a porta-potty, saying he didn't know anyone was inside.
It was wide open. There was no reason for this bulldozer to run over a porta potty.
Aaron's brother says the man operating the bulldozer should be criminally charged.
Somebody to be held accountable for what happened.
That's why the family has legal representation, believing the man operating the bulldozer acted negligent.
There should have been no reason why this bulldozer operator decided to operate this bulldozer without a spotter alone.
Carl Soto is representing the family, saying anyone operating a bulldozer goes through training, believing the operator chose to neglect safety rules.
This could have very well been an accident. However, there were multiple steps and protocols that should have been taken that would have prevented and avoided this tragedy.
OSHA tells me they're continuing their investigation, not naming the man who was operating the bulldozer. The Polk County Sheriff's Office also investigating. They're waiting on autopsy results, and the family wants the state attorney's office involved. The state attorney's office telling me tonight that there was never a case submitted to them by the sheriff's office. I also reached out to the company that both of these men worked for, CartiTemp. I asked them, is the man who operated this bulldozer still an employee? And I also asked if there have been any safety changes made after this death.
If we get a response from the company involved, we will post it on 10tampabay.com along with any new developments in this case.